and thank you so much for stay tuned in our data science and the Python videos. Today I just start the Python basics videos. Why I just want to start the basics ones? Because plenty of students they don't have any knowledge on the Python and about the computer language one. So I believe on that if you are just keep in touch with me and if you are just following all my data science videos, then I assure you that you one day it will come and you will be pro in languages and data science field. That's my assurity to you. And I believe on yourselves. You all are the excellent one. You all are the genius. So just keep in touch with me and I'll just help you to reach in on that positions. Thank you so much for taking some advice and touch with me such a long time. And right now I just want to start my first coding. I just show you this. What is that one? Triple inverted comma. Triple inverted comma is used basically if my code is the multi-line. If I just want to take only the coding, only these 3 lines as it is, to stop processing that one, we are using multi-line but 3 inverted commas. If you just run these videos or run this code, you can see that nothing is written here. We can see that Binaki Singh, that is the written by here, and the second line is the PyData Explorer. They are just proceed as it is. For the single line stopper, we are using the hash. If we are using the hash for the single line, the same thing will be happen, nothing will be coming the output. That is as simple as it is. Now I am just going to start. This is my first Python code language and you should be very happy to write down your first Python code. That is the hello world. How we can write down. In here, A is equal to double inverted comma hello world. That means this hello world is assigned inside the A. So if we are printing the A, then we are getting the output of the hello world. Just like that. I'm just running the code here on the Google Colab, and then when we just run the print command, the print A, then we see hello world. And after running this code, you should be very happy that you learned the first ABCD or first A of the Python language. Now gradually I am just showing that if I am not giving the print command, if I am just printing the A only, and I just run this Colab sheet, now you can see that hello world is printed. So here what we learn, if we give the print first bracket A or only A, both the output will come in the same way. But in the case of the A, it comes like a string. It is like the single inverted comma. That is the main difference between these two. After that, I am just assigned A is equal to 1. That means 1 is assigned inside the A. So if I just print A, the output will come the 1. See, the output comes 1. Why 1? Because this 1 value is put assigned inside the A. That's why that output comes the 1. Again, the next command you can see here, the print double inverted comma A. What is the main difference between the previous and the recent program? That is the is equal to 1, that is the assigned the 1 value inside the A. In here we are using the double inverted comma, then A is taking A as a string. String means that A is, there is no value inside A, just A is coming here directly. The next command or the next program, that is like the previous program, B double is equal to 1, that means 1 is assigned inside the B, and if we print the B, then output it will come 1. I already explained just before. Here I already explained, if you just write down anything inside double inverted comma, and then just print it, then the output it will come as it is. There will be no changes. This is my first Python class. You can see this is my first Python class. If I just delete that one, if I write down I am Pinaki, and then I just run the program, then I can see that the line is coming same way. That means here there is no value is assigned, here only the string that comes in the output. Now the most interesting things that comes here, a is equal to 7, small a is equal to 6. But before that I just want to say you Python is a very much case sensitive language. What does it mean for the case sensitive? Because a, capital A, and the small is the different things. So here the assigned of the 7 is inside the capital A and the 6 is assigned inside the small a. Then we just write down the program, the c is equal to capital A plus small a, and then we just take the print out a comma a, or print my a value is a, or my small a value is a, and the sum of the a is c. And what is the program? C is equal to a plus a. That means 7 plus 6 is equal to 13. My output, it is coming to 13. Because these two, 6 and 7, is here plusing the value, both the value. But in here, we can see that print b inside the double inverted comma. I already explained that one. If you taking any value inside the double inverted comma, that means that is string. So if I just run the command, then the output will become as it is. If I just delete b and if I just write down my name, that is Pinaki, and if I just run this command, then we can see that my name is just coming as my output. Now I just want to discuss about the 4 different type of the data types. What is the data type? We have the different kind of the data types. That is, one is integer, one is the float, one is string, and the one is the boolean. So a is equal to 5. That means 5 there is no point or decimal number. So that is the integer value. So if I print type a, then we can see that is the integer value. That's why they are giving the output the int. And if in here I am just taking the value, the decimal value 5.6 as it is b. So if I just print the b value, then we can see that is the float value. Float value means if there is decimal and after that any number or digit is there, that is called float value. In the case of C, I already discussed sometimes back that inside the double inverted comma, always this value considered as a string. So if I just print or the type C, then we are just getting the str. Str means string. And in the case of the D, that is the true is written there. So I just want to say what is the boolean value. Boolean means there is two value. One is true, one is the false. If your output is the true or the false, that means if you run the program, then you can just get two kind of the output. One is one kind of output you will get it, that is the boolean or the bool. So you can see that D is equal to true, and we just type D, write it there and just run the program, then we just see that that is the boolean. So right now I just discussed about some of the very much basics about the Python, and I feel that you are getting some ideas about the basic of the Pythons. And my very next video I am just going to be discuss about the Python operators. So in that Python operators, arithmetic operators will be there, comparison operator will be there, assignment operator will be there, and logical, membership and identity, this kind of operator I will just discuss about in my next video. So please stay tuned with the PyData Explorers videos, and thank you so much for your kind time and sincerity towards me. Thank you so much.